Coming up on Dornoch now. Dornoch's not a bad little place, is it?
No, no.
Nice little place to walk around.
It's a nice village, I quite like it. It's got nice cake shops and coffee shops. And...
It's got a prison and all.
Yeah, oh, it did have a jail.
Jail, yeah. I don't know what's going on.
It did have a lot of things that it ain't got now. Didn't it?
It did.
This place here is a B&B. It used to be the bank. I've been in there to get money out, and now it's a B&B. The Eagle, I think that's up for sale.
Again.
Or it was. Luigi's is up for sale. Along here.
Yeah.
Luigi's is up for sale, yeah.
Yeah, it's quite a nice little place for a
lovely,
walk around. Got some nice cafes as well,
I think they do Mr. Whippy ice cream in the ice street as well.
Now, see that big building there on the right? That's Castle Hotel.
Dornoch Castle.
Dornoch Castle, yeah. That's a nice place to stay if you can afford it.
That's the jailhouse.
It's a jailhouse, yeah. And we're going up here. This is this towards the golf course?
Yeah, towards the links
Okay, this way.
and the showground, Suffolk
Yeah.
Showground.
It's part of the golf course there. Camping and Caravan Park. And here we are. We'll have a walk around later, peeps, shall we?
They've got a crazy golf.
Oh yeah. Well, this is the toilet block. It's been recently refurbished. You've got showers, sinks and toilets and urinals. Oops. Kicking aside. Hello, sweetie. What's that saying?
It's fast to use the Wi-Fi.
How to use it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's the female's toilet like?
Free showers, free toilet, baby changing.
Got a water point.
It's been done with like wet walls and new shower phones and new shower unit.
Okay.
Is there a chemical box?
Can't see it.
You said there's one round the back of the...
What's that in the river there? Oh yeah. That's the chemical waste.
Yeah, he said it was round the back of the...
Right. Is there any hard standing here? There's not, is there? It's all grass, isn't it?
And it's £25 a night.
£25 a night for grass beaches. It's not, to be honest with you, I'm not overly impressed.
Oh, that's a shame. It's quite nice though.
No, it's a nice area, and Dornoch's a nice place.
You would have liked hard standing for that.
Well,
No,
not
comparisons.
necessarily.
Comparisons are like £31 a night.
Yeah.
25 is not like...
But this is it, isn't it? I mean, this is your site.
Yeah.
This bit.
Yeah, but that you come here for Dornoch and the beach.
Yeah.
Is why you come here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because you're minutes into Dornoch on foot.
Yeah.
With the amenities that it's got, and the beach is just on the other side of the dunes there.
Yeah.
And it's the most spectacular beach.
Yeah. Well, if you're after beaches then, and golf and...
I think if you came here with kids, they'd have a whale, little kids, like,
Yeah.
they'd have a whale of a time running around.
Okay. Well, we've arrived on site.
Time to make lunch.
Time to make lunch.
We've got
I'm
electric,
bloody
we've got
starving.
gas.
Yeah.
You're hungry.
I'm starving.
Kettle's on.
Kettle's on.
And I've got your surprise.
Ah, what you got? What you got?
A treat.
Ooh. Cake.
No.
Oh, a bit of bread.
Lidl's low GI multi-seed bread, what you
Oh,
really
right.
like.
Lovely. That's really nice.
Thought that as a treat.
Thank you.
I wrapped it because it's very crusty when you get
Yeah,
it, and
it
it goes
is.
everywhere. So,
Yeah.
but if you wrap it, it softens a bit.
Lovely. So what are we having?
We're having cheese,
Cheese.
and I'm having lettuce and tomato. But I got you pickle
Oh,
because I
lovely.
know you like cheese and pickle.
Cheese and pickle. I love cheese and pickle. Do you want me to make the tea? Or coffee,
Yeah, you
whatever
can
it
put
is?
the water in the cup for me, and I'll make the sandwich.
Okay. I'm turning you off because I want me lunch. Got the tea brewing now. Sherry's just cutting herself some bread. I've got mine.
You would eat all that as well, wouldn't you? You love this bread.
I'm going to eat all that.
No, you're not.
Want a bit?
Today.
Now.
Oh, God, darling, you're that hungry.
No, not that bad.
I even remembered the bar.
Oh, ah, ow, ow.
Shut up. Let it brew a bit, eh?
This brew is black. Ow. Ooh. Ah, ah, ooh. Bloody things. Why are they so hot?
You don't know.
Have you put sweeteners in there?
No, I haven't done anything. I just put the tea bag in
You
the cup.
haven't done anything.
No,
Just
just
slammed the tea bag in the cup.
yeah. And I thought I'd get your sandwich ready.
Yeah, that is important.
I thought that was what you'd prefer me to do.
Yes, that's true.
Oh, I can't get this one.
Where's your sweetness on?
Oh,
Is it right there?
yeah. We made sure that didn't leak again.
Yeah, because it was leaking before. wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
Right, here's tea. Tea's ready.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks nice. Can you put the thing on?
I haven't finished yet. Well, I've
You
only
talking
made you
about
half
me?
a sandwich.
Oh, there you go.
Look, two
Yeah.
bits.
Okay, here's tea.
That's it. So I thought you'd like a bit more than that. That's all.
I'd love a bit more than that, but that looks lovely. Oh, got tomatoes as well, eh?
No, you ain't. You got pickle.
Oh, you got pickle too.
Well, yeah, but I like pickle and salad. You don't. You can have pickle and salad if
No,
you want. I'm
no,
having.
it's disgusting.
Well, that's what I thought you'd say. Do you want a tomato just to eat it?
Yeah, I have tomatoes to eat it. Thank
Okay.
you. Sweetie. That's this, sweetie, not you, sweetie. Is that one yours?
Huh?
Is that one yours?
No, this is little size. Ain't grown enough yet. It's too early. Ain't it?
Oh, hot, hot.
Nearly forgot the cheese, didn't you?
I've been sitting here waiting very patiently. Love that, that. I've been sitting here waiting very patiently for my cheese. I asked for that one, yeah.
Why? Oh, yeah.
Lovely.
Nice. Bit small for it.
Is that mine?
Yeah. You can't wait, can you?
I can't, I'm starving.
You can't be starving.
I'm bloody starving.
Make you another one in a minute.
Yeah, lovely, thank you. Oh, I had a lucky one. Look at this. Wow, nice big cheesy one.
Did you put my sweetness in?
Mm-hmm.
You did?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nice. Well, that's me happy for the afternoon.
Are you gonna come and sit here so you can be in the video? that you can love me.
I always love you.
I've got breadcrumbs everywhere, look.
That was lovely.
Was that a nice sandwich?
That was a nice sandwich.
Good.
2 sandwiches and a chunk of cheese. That was really nice. Thank you. So, Weezy's here.
At Dornoch Caravan site.
Dornoch Caravan site.
Yep.
And it's a bit of a birthday present as well, isn't it, really?
Is it a birthday present for you because you're an old
For
man?
me, because it was my birthday
Yesterday.
Was it yesterday? I can't remember. It was my birthday yesterday.
It seems so long ago.
It does. What was I, 47, 50? Can't remember.
78.
78!
Old man.
No, I'm not 78, I'm 50.
Oh, okay then.
Right, 50. Okay then.
Is that it?
So I'm 78, you got me dragging bloody stuff around the garden yesterday.
Got you working, yeah. You only had to carry the greenhouse. It was,
Exactly.
it's like, it weighs about 2 kilos.
Yeah.
It's plastic.
Yeah. Dragging the old man, dragging the greenhouse around. I was.
Yeah, but there's 2 types of old man. There's an old man that are men that are old, and then there's old men that just whinge all the time.
That'll be me. See you guys. Bye.
You're funny.
Ah.
You can lift it higher and go under it.
Oh, bloody hell. Woo. You're on camera, you know. Hello.
Hello.
Where are we going now?
Into town.
We're going into Dornoch.
Yeah.
It's about a 6-mile walk, isn't it?
No.
How far is it?
0.8 of a mile.
Oh, okay. All uphill?
No.
Oh.
Well, hardly. It's pretty level here, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is,
It's
actually.
outside Dornoch. It's hilly if you
Yeah.
want to go.
So we'll go and have a look at Dornoch. We want to go down and show you the beach as well, but we'll do that maybe when we get back if it's not raining, because it's going to be raining later on.
It's going to rain.
Ron's going to make it rain.
We're going over the bridge.
Going over the bridge. Rickety bridge.
Clip clop.
I'm a troll, foley roll. Where's the troll?
You can't go on the bridge without singing that, can you?
Right, okay then, we'll take you around Dornoch for a little trip.
Yeah, little wander round.
So see you later.
Tour of the cake shop, I think.
Ooh, that sounds good. Cakes. Or maybe ice cream.
Or both.
Or both.
For the birthday week.
Oh yeah, because we both had our birthday this month, didn't we? Yeah.
We did.
I'm 26 and Sherry's 43. See you later.
See ya, bye.
Bye. So we're just coming up to the exit to the site now. It's another toilet block.
Yep. Shower
and
block.
Shower block. And receptions round the other side.
And this is like the grey waste.
Yeah, this is grey waste. Motorhome service point and drinking water. I don't know here where the black waste is. There must be one somewhere. And this is the reception, and there's a laundry over there as well. So it's quite.
Little play park.
Play park, yeah. And there's
Play park
loads of
looks nice.
static caravans as well. And there's a little place here, look for motorhomes as
Touring
well.
pictures.
Some more pictures, yeah.
It looks
So it's,
really nice, little playground.
it's
Little crazy
quite it's
golf.
quite a nice site actually.
Crazy golf.
Crazy golf, yeah. Quite a nice site, isn't it?
It's £1 for crazy golf. That's all right, isn't it?
Yeah. And this is where Dornoch's money was made. This is the market cross. Just here, where they had the markets. And that's the churchyard. Dornoch Church. Sherry wants some cake, so she's going in the shop. here comes Sherry with the ice creams, moaning as usual.
Put the camera down and help me open the door.
Why are you taking me into the dunes, Sherry?
Taking you for a wander in the sand dunes.
Oh, what are you going to do in the sand dunes?
Find the beach.
Ah. Well, I must admit I changed my mind a little bit now we had a walk around. This is quite a good campsite, really. It still needs a little bit of work on it, but all in all, it's pretty good, isn't it?
I like the way they've got pitches in the dunes and that.
Yeah.
I think it's lovely. And the toilet block that's by us, that's lovely and
It
clean.
is.
It's new, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it's good. So I'm camped here, look. So, how much was it?
£25 a night.
£25 a night, and
Yeah.
we're sort of in the beginning of the season now, are we?
Yeah, it's just May, isn't it?
Okay, let's go and find a beach then, because it's a bit cold. We're not going to find a beach today because it's so wet and mucky and muddy down there, and we'd have to go right the way round on the main road. So we'll leave it this time. But believe me, it is a nice beach. Hope you enjoyed the video.
If you did, give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.